In this video, I'll be showing you how you can cook in Where Winds Meet. Now, the easiest way to cook is to simply go up to a cooking fireplace that looks something like this. If you're in bandit territory or if you're in just a camp with enemies nearby, once you clear them out, you should also be able to find such a cooking fire, so you don't necessarily need to be in a crafting zone. Once you've gotten up close to it, simply select the option cook, and then depending on the amount recipes that you have, you should be able to cook a meal. So say for example, I decided to cook a veggie mix. All I need to do is simply select it and then choose the amount that you want to cook. You'll also need to ensure that you have enough of the required materials in order for you to make this meal. And once you've selected your amount and you're ensured you have the required stamina cost as well as materials, simply select the option cook. Once you've done that, wait for it to be cooked and you'll have successfully obtained your meal. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.